Hello all of you, I am Naresh Rawal, the table tennis coach, and today I am going to tell you about different types of service. What are the different types of service we can do from your backhand to your opponent? Service is actually a very important part of table tennis. Why? Because by doing service, the opponent, you have an opportunity to get the point. First of all, if you do very good service, the opponent is not able to receive it properly. He will get a point. Otherwise, if a person doesn't understand, is not able to understand your service, he will give you a very simple return, and in that return, you can take advantage of that. So that's why service is very important nowadays. Not nowadays, from very long time. So players do give lot of time, do lot of practice of service, different types of service. So today I am going to tell you few services from backhand side. Okay. So the first service which I am going to tell you is a very simple service. You can do, you know the service rule. You have to at least while service, the palm should be open. It should be visible to the opponent, and the ball should be visible to the opponent. The palm, you cannot do like this, it is foul. Your opponent will get a point if you throw like this, or if you throw like this also, or if you do like this service also, the opponent will automatically get a point. The umpire will say fault and the opponent will get a point. So now 16 centimeter at least you have to throw the ball, and from backhand. See, the very simple service first I am telling you is about the counter service. You can do counter service on both the sides. That is also effective because sometimes the player is not ready. He thinks that the opponent is going to do normal service. Okay, so it is also very good in junior level, small level. You can do counter service also. This is also one. So just throw the ball and simple. Just throw the ball, counter. Okay. Here also. Now here also you can do. Just throw the ball, show the ball to the opponent, and simple. And try it, practice it hard. The more you are going to do it fast, the more opponent will get the ball faster. Okay, see, and okay. So this is one of the first service you can do to your opponent. The second service which I am going to tell you is about side spin. It's a very old and a very famous service. For the last so many years, people are doing, in every player do side spin from backhand. So now I'll tell you side spin. Slashing means normally how you brush your teeth. It's like from that. Just see your racket. From this side I'll tell you. Okay. Straight, paddle to the table. Slightly do like this and try to side. Or you can do little like this also to have more spin. Okay, so first I'll just tell you how to brush the ball. Just throw the ball because the table is very small, so that's why I can't throw all like this, because if I throw the ball is very, table is very short, but still I'll try. Okay, this and side, see magic, and brushing it side. So this is known as side spin, and you can do it both the sides, on the left side of the opponent also, and also on the right side of the opponent. So this is side spin service. Now the third service which I am going to tell you is about the backspin. Backspin is what you do, you just cut the ball. Okay, you just, in this no spin is there. In side spin what happens, the ball is going, sorry I forgot to tell you one thing. In side spin what happens, the ball moves in this direction. If you are going to do it there also or there also, wherever you are going to do, since you are brushing the ball hits this side, and when it touches that side, opponent side, I'll tell you here, if it touches here, it will move on this side. That's why it is known as side spin. So wherever you do, this side or this side, any side, the ball will move to that side. If it is touching here, then also it will move here. Like you have seen the ball of Shane Warne. Have you seen the ball of Shane Warne? It's a very famous ball of this Australia. When he bowls, it touches the ground and it moves like this. Okay, spins. So this says the ball will move on, spins on this side. Okay, now backspin. In backspin, what happens? The ball is going to slightly move, but there is a heavy backspin. Okay, backspin means move, I mean, a very slight, you can say, movement, but you will not see. But there is a heavy backspin, cut ball, you can say. There is a cut ball in that. See this, and in this case, what you are doing, you are just cutting your wristing, your wrist. You are giving a jerk to your wrist. See this. Okay, so I have given a jerk to my wrist. So this is known as backspin. See. Again, I want to show you. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just giving a jerk to my racket and to the ball. So that is why there is a heavy backspin. And normally these you need to practice a lot for this. And if the opponent doesn't know, if he touches the ball or if he tries to cut the ball, it will go inside the ball. So in this case, you cannot cut the ball very fast. Okay, that I will explain you in my other video, how to receive the different types of services. So this the backspin, heavy backspin. Now one more service you can do from your backhand side is the reverse spin. Okay, so what you have to do, first you are doing it on the side. Now here you have to do on this side. This is parallel to the table. See, and what I have done, I have just done like this and reversing. See, now the ball is moving on that side. Again, see. So in this case, what is going on? The ball touches the table this side, and when it will touch this side, it will reverse to that side. It will go to that side. So in this case, what you have to do, parallel to the table, and then you have to reverse. You have to reverse your racket like this. See, and you have to cut it from this side. Okay, from here you have to spin the ball. Okay, so quickly let me tell you all the 4 services. One is the counter, fast counter you can do. The second ball is you can do brushing the ball, side spin. In this the ball will go to that side. The third service is your back spin, heavy cut. You can do cut. And the last service which I have told you is like this, you can say reverse also. Ball will go to that side. So these are the 4 services. Try to practice at home. And the most important thing while doing service, that don't try to hit the first ball here near the net. Always try to hit the ball near to the table from here. Why I am saying you, if you hit your first bounce here, it will go there. Okay, and there is a chance of 2-3 bounce on the opponent. Okay, but if you hit here, first of all, there is a chance of going inside the net. It will hit the net. The second thing is the second drop will be near somewhere the end line, and it will go outside the table, and opponent will have an opportunity to hit the ball, to toss spin the ball. Okay, drive or toss spin. So always try to hit near to the table. See, 2 bounces. So what will happen? It will not go, and the opponent cannot hit the ball directly. He will try to receive the ball. Okay, by cut, or sometimes you can do flick also. But it will be easy, and for you also to return it. It will not be difficult, as in case of toss spin if he hits the ball. So try to hit the ball near your sides. Okay. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Bye bye.